All right, hi everyone. I'm here to help you with IXL code W73, which is completing addition and subtraction sentences. Now, I want to make sure we're all on the same page. From order of operations, you should know our four operations and their opposite operations. So, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Adding and subtracting are opposite operations of each other, and multiplying and dividing are opposite operations of each other, meaning in a situation like this, we have subtraction. The opposite operation will help us to find this number. We can add these two numbers together to get the answer up here. So using opposite operations is really going to help you. Now, I'm going to erase this, and we're going to try and solve. So I need to write out these numbers. Remember I said if we're subtracting, the opposite operation would be to add, and that way I can get what these two things added together was before it got subtracted. So 5, 7, 7, 0, 3, and then 2, 5, 9, 2, and then 4. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you guys. The last time that I did this problem, I accidentally started subtracting for some reason. I got through the whole video and I was wrong. So let's make sure that I'm supposed to be adding, yep, because the opposite operation. So now I need to add these together. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 0 plus 2 is 2, 9 plus 7, 16, carry my 1, 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 more is 13, and then 5 and 2, 7 plus 1 more is 8. Okay. Now, the other really important thing to do during this IXL code is to really ask yourself before you input the number, does this make sense? So if I put this number up here, which is 8, 3, 6, 2, 7, if I look at this, does that make sense? I take about, if I estimate, take about 80,000, take away about 50 or 60,000, and I'm going to get about 20-ish, 25, 30,000. Does that make sense? I think so. So hopefully I did all my math right here, right? And let's see what we get. Yep, you got it. Okay, one more. So in this one, we're missing the middle number, which can be a little confusing because we don't know how we got there, and I know using opposite operations works with most of them, but in this case, if I have 7,585, I took away something and I still have 7,530, I know I'm only going to be working with this area right here. If I add these two numbers together, I'm going to get around 14,000, and that doesn't make sense, even though it says subtracting. But when you're finding that middle number, a lot of times you still are going to have to subtract. So in this case, I know that I'm going to have to subtract because these numbers stayed the same. So I can even look right here and say, okay, 5, take away something and I get 0. 5, right? 5 minus 5 is 0. And then 8 minus something gives me 3. Well, 8 minus 5 gives me 3. Would that make sense? That's what I'm asking myself. Does that make sense? So if I input what I think, 5 minus 5, I get 0. 8 minus 5, I get 3. I think that that makes sense, and I'd like to check it. All right, I hope this helps, guys. Really take your time and ask yourself, does this make sense before you hit submit? Have a good day.